Before, she just take her food, she swallows it
Yeah.
without chewing. During the
Oh.
therapy, we noticed she already chews her food. So you can see very well that the stem cells is working in her brain cells, because
Mm.
special children have brain deficiency. The very best thing that has been addressed to my daughter is, I call it the wild tantrums. She can kick you hard, pull your hair, she can hurt without any warning, bite
Mm.
you without any warning.
Mm.
Now, she doesn't hurt anymore. If she doesn't want you beside her, she will just pat you. She doesn't hurt anymore.